All right, guys, absolutely nailed it today. Over 400% profits on the trade that we did on QQQ, 403 to be exact, but let's just say 400. Yeah, absolutely crushed this trade. So let's get into this. This was a textbook, easy, super copy, amazing trade. It was basically just a buy and hold to let it play out. So let's get into this. As you can see in the Discord where we post everything live and we make sure all the trades are easy setups for you to get into, placed well ahead of time. This is the Discord. So as you can see, pre-market, I'm looking at AMD and NVIDIA are up slightly, but they still don't really look good to me after the Red Friday session. So we could see some downward trend continue there. Tesla up as well. And we did see Tesla actually move up here. I thought we'd see a sell-off, but it didn't happen. But I'm looking at SPY and QQQ the most. And so what I said, I'm going to get QQQ 617 puts off the open here around the 617 to 618 area. And my stop would be if it, closes above 618. Okay, so what happens? There's market open. And we do open right at what price? 618.4, and we just flush, right? This is our sort of area I was looking at in terms of a resistance level. If we go to the daily chart, you can see as well as Y as well. Yeah, basically just chopping through all these sort of areas. Basically, yeah, you're going to see a flush out right from the open because we see this move upwards here. We can see sellers coming in above the 618 area, right? And so we're expecting some movement downwards. We also want to keep in mind this, this whole area right here. Whoops, that's not going to work. Basically, everything above 617 is going to be a selling zone. And that's exactly what we see happen. So back to the Discord. As you can see, we got in at $1.40. It wasn't the low. I think the low here was $1.22, but whatever. That's peanuts in terms of the overall move here. And then we just see a nice move down. We just hold this thing. A couple key areas to watch out for. One would have been this 611.5-ish area, and then 610. As you can see on the 611.5-ish, we did see a little bit of a retracement there, some movement upwards, but we just held through that. Wasn't giving a clear enough indicator that that was the bottom. And then, of course, 610. So why 610? It's just too big of a number. One, it's a nice round number, and so price is most likely going to gravitate towards that. And as you can see, we can see this spot here, this here, this here. Yeah, it's just, you have to watch out for the 610. And that's what happens. So it did actually break below 610, and you can see buyers step in, and we see a little bit of a reversal here now. So that was basically the bottom. And we ended up selling. So yeah, I got out at 705 at the 610 area. Which is a great to see. Did go again a little bit lower, so the low here or the high here was 7.7, but still, I mean, 400% on the day for how long is that? An hour of trading, unbelievable. Yeah, we absolutely crushed it today. So guys, join the Discord if you want to copy the same trades we do. Again, all this stuff can be set up. All of it is given to you ahead of time. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video, guys. See you tomorrow, and have an amazing rest of the day.